What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to make a video today on washing my car, but instead of using the typical wash bucket systems and the shampoo and all the brushes and things like that, I want to just go ahead and just rinse it all down, take all the dirt off the car and clean it all down with some wireless car wash and a microfiber towel. So I thought to myself, why not just rinse the whole car down, take all of the contaminants off the car, and then use wireless car wash and rinse it down and wipe off all of the dirt. Now I realized when I was using wireless car wash before, when the car was dry, I had some problems where it was picking up too much dirt, and that can cause a lot of surface scratches and things like that. So why not eliminate that by just rinsing or pre-rinsing the car, taking all the contaminants off and using wireless car wash and wipe everything off. I'm going to pull the car out, we're going to rinse it down completely, and then I'm going to bring it back in, and then once we bring it back in, I'm going to use wireless car wash and wipe the whole entire car down. Let's see how much effort this is going to take and how much time I will be saving doing it this way. I haven't done it before, so I want to do it in front of the camera with you guys and really see if this is an effective way to wash the car when you don't have the time, you don't have the environment, and you just need it done in the shortest amount of time possible. So let's bring her out and start rinsing her down.
You're so indecisive, what I'm saying. Trying to catch the beat, make up your heart. Don't know if you're happy or complaining. Don't want for us to end, where do I start?
Alright, so I just finished pre-rinsing the whole entire car. I rinsed the wheels out too because there was a lot of caked on brake dust on there. But if you remember, I ceramic coated the wheels so the brake dust kind of fell off pretty easily. Although it does still need a little bit of rubbing and scrubbing to make it look perfectly clean. But right now I'm just mainly worried about the outside of the car. Probably going to wash this again later on this weekend. As you can see, there's still water on here. It's beading pretty nicely because of the vinyl. So now I'm going to go ahead and use a microfiber towel with some wireless car wash. And we're going to go and wipe this whole entire car down with wireless car wash. This is pretty much the brand that I use, McKee right here. And we're going to use these microfiber towels right here. I got plenty of them. These are like all-purpose microfibers, brand new. You can use nice softer ones. I use these gray ones for detailing. These are for like wax, glaze, and ceramic coating removal. I'm just going to use an all-purpose microfiber. I'm probably going to go through like 3 of this to cover the whole car. One should be enough to do about 2 to 3 panels because you can just flip it inside out when you're done with one swipe. So I'm going to set up the camera and we're going to just wipe this whole entire car down with wireless car wash. So you're going to spritz it on the wet paint, or in this case vinyl. You're going to wipe it or spray it on the wet vinyl and just wipe it down completely. And once you're done wiping out completely, you can dry it off with the opposite side. At that point you can go to the other part of the panel and use that dry spot and do the same thing. Spritz it with the wireless car wash and wipe it clean. So I'm going to set up the camera now and let's get this thing tidied up.
You're overprotective when I'm leaving. Trying to compromise, but I can't win. You wanna make a point, but you keep preaching. You had me from the start, won't let this end. First you wanna go to the left, then you wanna turn right. Wanna argue all day, making love all night. But you're up and you're down, and in between. Oh, I really wanna know, what do you mean?
As you can see, that technique worked very, very well. My car is super shiny, super clean, cuts a lot of the water cost out, cuts a lot of the time out as well. Car looks just like I washed it regularly. It's super shiny, as you can see here. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button if you really enjoyed this. Subscribe if you're a new viewer, you want to see more content like this, and check out the rest of the channel for more videos, and I'll see you on the next one.